Hi fellow guys! Some people ask me how to get stylized render using Greaseliner. In this video I will show you step by step the configuration that can be made within the add-on. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Before starting to generate outlines, we will prepare our basic cube to better visualize what we will get. Just subdivide here the cube to have more vertices and apply a nice blue material for more appealing render. Now we are ready to play. Open Greaseliner tab in the end panel, select our mesh and click on Generate Outlines. Then start by tweaking the minimum angle value to get more outlines to visualize. Now we can play with the wrap distance, lines color, lines opacity, and width of the lines, and of the contour. The X, Y, Z axis parameter will let you specify lines to generate depending on the direction. Let's check only the X-axis and you see that only the lines that are oriented in X-axis are generated. Same for Y and Z axis. The threshold parameter will specify if the lines must be generated along the whole dimension of the mesh or only a part. Positive or negative values specify if the lines are generated from the start or the end of the axis. Tolerance parameter allows you to generate random lines above the threshold limit. The value defines the amount of random lines to be generated. Playing with the X, Y, and Z parameters will allow you to get customized render of your mesh outlines. Next step, we will add some effects to our work. Dot dash will generate dots based on the visible lines. The length effect extends the start or the end of lines, giving an unperfect sketch effect. The noise effect adds irregularities to the lines, generating a hand-drawn style to our render. Resolution value will help to get more pronounced irregularities. And last, wave effect will allow to generate horizontal and vertical undulations. We can specify the wave's amplitude, frequency, and phase. Last step of our travel, Draw mode will bring you directly to the Grease Pencil Draw view. Here you just have to select whatever available brushes you have and start to add customized drawing to your work. When you have finished, just click on the exit button to go back to the object mode. What is very convenient is that the drawing that you have made will still apply the color, opacity and width of your global outlines. Going back to the draw mode, you can select an eraser brush to delete lines. By default, only the drawing lines will be erased. If you uncheck the option at the very bottom of the panel, You will be able to also delete the generated lines, letting you fully customize your final result. You can try now and play with Greaseliner, tweaking outlines with other type of meshes. Try different values for minimum angle to check how it behaves. X, Y, Z axis and effects are also key to obtain customized results. To end this demo, I let you now see how I customize outlines with Cezanne Monkey, and at the end of the video, how you can create stylized render applying Greaseliner outlines with Anim Toon Shader. Thanks for watching.